Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Chroma key in CapCut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. As you can see, I already created a project and here we can see one Chroma key video with a green screen to how can we use it and use it correctly. The steps are quite easy. As you can see, I already added the background video and now all we need is to just add the video right up here on our timeline. Then we can change the duration of our video to make it like correct for our project. So let it be like this. So after that, as you can see, everything is good and now our video is right up here. So how we can deal with it to remove this green color from our video? All we need is to just select it in our timeline and then in this menu, in editing menu, click on video and go to cut out right up here. So after that, you just need to click on chroma key right up here, then open the menu. Sometimes it could be closed. Color picker, tap on this color picker and now just play with this strength and shadow parameters right up here. So out of that, everything is ready. We can resize it, we can do anything we want. So that's how we can deal with chroma key in CapCut PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.